How to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on general management. Again scroll down. Tap on a reset. At the bottom end you can see factory data reset option. Tap on it. Here you can see the remove data. You can see Google account, system app data, downloaded apps. Here you can see the account you log in with your details. It will remove all your data from your device. So make sure backup your important data before factory data reset your Galaxy S24, S24 Plus. Tap on a reset button. Unlock your device. Now you can see delete all button. When you tap on delete all, it will delete the all personal information, downloaded apps and other data from your device and you can't be recover. So make sure backup your important data before tap on a delete all button on your device. It will factory reset your phone to default settings. That's it. If you like it, share it.